Hello, top do-it-yourself outdoor projects you need to know. Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. That's my logo in the upper corner of your screen. I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice, and recently I was honored by the Omaha Area Board of Realtors as being a legend in real estate. But today I want to talk to you about the top do-it-yourself outdoor projects you need to know. These projects are very simple, they're very basic, they're easy to do. There are many other projects that you might want to consider, but that might include some additional money and some additional skills that many of us don't have. So let's talk about what are the top do-it-yourself outdoor projects you need to know. Reseeding the lawn. You don't want to go through the expense of installing sod simply because your lawn has become slightly patchy. Instead, learn how to grow grass that will make the whole neighborhood envious. The grass is truly greener on your side. Building a raised garden bed. Whether you're hoping to create a prized vegetable patch or simply want to grow your favorite blooms, there's no better way to create structure for your curb appeal than a few raised beds in your yard. Select the wood, stone, or brick of your choice and get to work to create a cohesive feel. Building a window box. You don't have to be a master builder to ensure that this simple project turns out well. Give the exterior of your home a facelift with a few well-placed window boxes and some vibrant flowers. This easy project is sure to make your home look great for years to come. Make a trellis. A garden trellis is a must-have for any plants that need to climb. They add needed structural support for those plants and also give your outdoor space visual interest in the form of additional height. Go simple and make a garden trellis of wood and lattice, or shoot for a more elaborate mixed medium trellis. You can also buy these trellises at your local big box store. And anything that has to do with flowers, such as the raised garden bed, the window box, the trellis, all adds to making great curb appeal for your home. Power wash your driveway. A good power wash can do wonders for the appearance of your home. Power washing your home siding or your driveway can take years off the look of your exterior. Removing dirt and grime can be just as visually impactful as a new coat of paint for far less cost. You can buy a good power washer for $250 to $300. You can also rent them at your local rental outlet. So I appreciate you watching. My contact information is scrolling across below. Go to my website at markrenner.com and look around. You'll see videos on how is COVID-19 impacting the real estate market and what's the real estate market in Omaha, Nebraska doing. You can also go to my special reports section there. You can order special reports on how to get the most money out of your house, the improvements you need to make before you put your house on the market. When buying a house, what are the mistakes to avoid? All these special reports I've written, special reports on mortgages, builders, different types of builders, the associated costs, and even a special report on how to interview a real estate agent. If you want any of these special reports, I can mail them to you or I can email them to you because I have them in a digital format. So again, you can order them at markrenner.com or give me an email, mark@markrenner.com, and let me know what special reports you'd like to have. Or just give me a phone call at 402-690-1687. If you're thinking of or planning to move anytime in the future, please give me a call. I'd love to talk with you and help you through the process. Or if you just have any questions regarding real estate, please give me a call, 402-690-1687. I thank you for watching. Have a great day and be safe.